Hello everyone, welcome to Campus Konnect by Biopatrika. I am Virender Singh, host for today's session. Today we are talking about TDU, the University of Trans-disciplinary Health, Sciences and Technology. They have a program which combines Ayurveda with life sciences. To talk about this program, we have with us Sruthi, who just graduated from this program and currently she is working in public health. So, welcome Shruti to the show.
Thank you.
So, Shruti, before we go ahead, can you briefly tell us what you are doing currently and what was your educational background?
So I have done my BAMS uh, in my graduation, and then I worked for some years, and then I did my MSc in Ayurveda Biology from TDU. So after that, now I'm working as a research associate in Sangat. It's a mental health research NGO. So I'm working in one of the projects called as Optimize D, where I am working within the data management team.
Okay, that's great to know. So, Shruti, since we are talking about the master's program which you joined at TDU, so can you tell us what was the motivation behind joining master's program after doing BAMS?
I've always curious about what runs behind lab investigation and like how Ayurveda defines various concepts. So when I was going or searching about what I should be doing next, or like thinking like what is it that I need to do more, I came across this course, Ayurveda Biology from TDU. Actually, I came across their Ayurveda dietetics program, and that's how I came to know about TDU. But then I saw that they are offering an MSc course, which is about life sciences, and then I went about the syllabus. So I saw that they are offering subjects like biochemistry, molecular biology, and all. So that kind of attracted me because it was kind of a diverse option of subjects, which we don't get to learn in Ayurveda. I mean, like, you have a lot options of many subjects in biomedicines. So I understood that this can actually help or equip me to do better in my clinical practice. And also, like, if I had to venture out or like go into a new path, this would definitely help me. So that kind of helped me to like make the decision. So it's their course information and all that was provided in the site, which actually helped me to make that decision. So and also it was more research based. So I was already curious in knowing like in doing about doing research and like thinking how we can do stuffs in Ayurveda. So this was a nice option I felt.
So you mentioned so this master's program was research based. So,
Yeah.
so I assume that it is slightly different from a regular master's program which are run at like different universities. So what's special about this master's program? And was there any special internship associated with this program?
So thing is, the course is designed in structure way that the 3 semesters are theory related, and you also get to get lab exposure and clinic lab training. And it's not just classroom oriented training. You also get to go and learn about different. Like we have one course called as pharmacognosy, so you get to learn about the trees in the campus, and then you also go to field trips to learn more about the medicinal plants. So that's there. So in the fourth semester, what happens is that you can do a thesis project in the institution, or you can do it. You are free to do it anywhere you like, according to your interest. So I was kind of interested in public health or community health. So I was more interested in doing it in a place which offered research. I mean, where research was offered to that domain. So in the fourth semester, you can do a internship where you can do your thesis project. You can develop your thesis project in such a way. So you can do it in research institution, hospitals, or anywhere as per your interest. So I did it up in Sangat in the NGO in the mental health research only. So the this course provides you that freedom and that your opportunity to do it anywhere.
Okay, that's good to know. So, as you mentioned that you were given freedom to do thesis at either institute or outside it. So,
Yeah.
was there any help from faculty or university to find those internships that finally helped you in like making transition after course?
Yeah, so our course coordinators, Dr. Megha and Dr. Vishnu sir, yeah, like they're very, very helpful. And also the other faculty members are very helpful to help us uh, get our interest-based place. So in case like you find your interest, like you understand that this is your interest, like you want to do something in food tech or like you want to do something in with animal studies or anything. So once you find that, you can reach out to your particular interested, faculty who is working in that domain. So they will be more than happy to help you in finding out other places for you, or if you want to develop a thesis project in that department, they will also help you in that. So in my case, Dr. Megha helped me to get me, get to help me understand like which place I want to work in, and then like she helped me reach out to different places and to do my thesis work. So the faculties are very super helpful if you want to like understand where you want to like get into.
Okay. So, so currently you are in public health. Can you tell how this program helped you to like move from doctor or BAMS degree towards public health?
Yeah. So I this the first semester in this course was about we had two course subjects in the first semester, which was about local health traditions and fundamentals of Ayurveda. So I was more interested in that local health traditions because it had more subject like coursework related to community medicine and like public health and all. So from first semester, I was like kind of inclined in doing my research work in public health only. So uh, initially, so from around that time only, I started focusing on subjects which try to help me gain skills in the public health sector. So I focus more on community health, local health traditions, and then we had subjects like bioinformatics. And then in the third semester, we also have an option of taking an electional subject. That is, you are free to choose any other subject which you want to gain knowledge in. So I did a course in scientific writing, so that also helped me to gain skills in my writing skills. And third semester also offered research methodology and research communication, so that also helped me kind of get the knowledge skills which was required for me to do a dissertation or thesis in my fourth semester. So when I was kind of fixed in that, through the 2 years course, of course, with the help of the faculty and because of the flexibility this course provides, you can choose subjects which you want to focus on. And then in the fourth semester, you can also do wherever you want. So I chose that I had to transition into public health. So I started researching about places where I could do my thesis, and then I filtered on the options which I had, and then I started reaching out to them by third semester end. So that in the fourth semester, you have a smooth transition. You don't have to worry about where you will be doing it. So I started reaching out to places, and by my fourth semester before I was sure well in before that my when my fourth semester started that I will be doing my dissertation here, and so I made the arrangement like that. So my transition happened a bit. It wasn't easy. It was tough because finding out and getting reaching out and then getting in a place is not easy. And then so in the fourth semester, so like once I was placed in the NGO, then I understood that this is how this will be my new stepping. thing, and then like it would be my transition year. So I kind of transitioned it this way, and then that's how I got a step into the public health field. And then once my dissertation was done, and since I was an intern there, I got placed. I got placed there as a resource associate there because an opening came up. So I applied for that, and then I got it. So that's how I kind of transitioned from being an Ayurvedic doctor into public health.
That's good, and it's good to know that the program itself equip you with skills which you need while doing your job. So both people who are currently doing BAMS or who might have
Mm.
just finished BAMS, what message you want to give if they are like looking for programs such as the one which is provided by TDU, how that program could open like job opportunities for them?
Yeah. So this would be like I mean it. This question would not have a very general answer because it is definitely people individual oriented, because what kind of interest you have, you can develop around that and get I mean like focus towards that area, because that's the kind of freedom and flexibility you have in this course, right? So once you join the course, you have like 3 semesters to figure out what is your interest and like what are the skills you would like to equip in it. So like you can also like suppose if you like you are interested in nutrition, you have courses like you have subject courseworks in the program which is about biochemistry and Ayurvedic dietetics. So you will be able to bridge this information and then move into nutrition. So there are multiple combinations where you can do it so that we can develop it accordingly. So I would just say that BMS doctoral students like to be open and then explore new ways so that you get an idea of what you have to do at. Ayurveda is just not about clinical practice. There is so many options beyond it. Like you can go into healthcare innovation, dietetics, and then your research, and also developing new products. So there is even get into public health. So the options are diverse, but only once you start exploring and like have an interest over that, you will able to find that. Otherwise you might have to only stick in clinical practice, which is also fine, but it that will also this course will also help you to enhance your clinical practice, because you are getting that uh, various knowledge behind so many subjects which you don't get to have in your BMS courses.
Thanks a lot, Shruti, for joining us on Campus Connect. I think your views of the program and TDU particularly will be very helpful for students who might be looking forward for such programs. And we wish you good luck for your job. Thanks again for joining.
Thank you so much.